Welcome to TechStarsTamil.
Let's see how to export virtual server from HyperV. Open the HyperV manager. Here we have a virtual server in HyperV. It's named as Windows 2016. HyperV export feature is kind of backup. It creates a full copy of a virtual machine, including its configuration, hard disks, and checkpoint backups. There is major difference between export feature and taking a backup. Exporting virtual machine from Hyper-V allows us to import them to a different Hyper-V host, which is not possible in backup feature. Let's see the session of export virtual server from Hyper-V. Right-click on Virtual Server Windows 2016 and choose Export. Then click on Browse. Choose the folder location to save the virtual server export file. Then click on Export. Export process has started for this virtual server, and we can see the progress percentage in the status column. Export process is completed and has moved to the next process. Merge in process has started to combine the virtual machine's checkpoint backups into the exported virtual server disk. We have successfully exported this virtual server Windows 2016. Let's go to see the virtual server exported path. Hyper-V export feature creates 3 directories and stored necessary backup files in the output path: snapshots, virtual hard disks, and virtual machines. Thanks for watching. We will come up with another tech video clip soon.